I'm Corbett Wall with DV Auction, here with a 3-minute cattle market update for Wednesday, September the 9th. We are now unofficially into the fall, and we've got an uncertain fall ahead of us here. We don't know if these prices are going to continue to drop like they have the last 2 or 3 weeks, or this little correction, or it's a big correction, is over and we're going to start returning more and start taking advantage of our light supplies that we have coming in. But this first day on Tuesday is really starting out good after the holiday weekend as we move into fall. Live cattle for October was up $3 at 143.47. Last week's weighted average for negotiated trade fed cattle on 73,300 head was 141.75 on steers, which was down $3.11 from the previous week. Dressed steers averaged 222.14, which was down $5.25 from the prior week, which was really down hard from the week before that. But your northern plains were in the low 140s. They've got some weight issues and some heavy supplies on their nearby market ready list. 140 to 141. Kansas traded on Friday at 143. They don't have near as many cattle ready right now. But those dress prices are a long ways under what box beef is now. Choice is at $239.16. Even Select's a good $6.50 higher at $228.65. Carcass weights are getting big. Your last actual data on carcass weights had the average steer dressing at 905. Your last week's slaughter was at 556, which was 11,000 bigger than the previous week, and we're even looking for a decent week this holiday week. So these packers are making some money, and they're going to start slaughtering a few more, which would help quite a bit. Feeder cattle was up big on Tuesday too. September was up 295. The next 6 trading months were up from 380 to 395. Settling with September on Tuesday at 204.30. Your CME feeder cattle index is 205.48. Real-time index on Cattle Market Central is 210.76. Of course, that includes all of Tuesday's cattle that were sold too. But look at some markets there. The big special at Torrington, Wyoming, Torrington Livestock Markets had 7,400 head for the Labor Day special. Had a lot of really good cattle, but they called a lot of them fancy on the market report. We look at our 700 to 800 pound steers. They had nearly 1,000 of them, average 752 that they called fancy at 225.23. Now, I realize they got off a good cattle out there, but were all of them fancy? None of those cattle will go into the index now and raise prices, so it won't be reflected on the board. You look at your Cattle Market Central market report out of Torrington there, and you see see one individual lot there. A load of steers weighed 750 pounds at 228. Now, 750 pounds is exactly what the board is quoted for at September right now, and the board's at 204.30. Long ways of difference right there. But check out DV Auction this coming weekend on DV Auction. The Big Pitzer Ranch out of Erickson, Nebraska is going to have their fall horse sale. You can see the preview there on Thursday, and on Friday and Saturday the sale starts at 9 o'clock. We'll talk to you on Friday.